Wel, fi'n ddiolchgar iawn i chi am drefnu'r tywydd i ni ddod i ffilmo heddi. Yn amlwg, dych chi ddim wedi dod â tywydd ar Alban lawr da chi.
Na.
Felly, ers pryd ych chi wedi ymgartrefu nôl yng Nghymru?
O'n i wedi dechrau ein taith dros y Nadolig, really. So, o'n i wedi wneud y dewis i symud nôl pryd o'n i wedi cael y grant o ARFOR. A na beth oedd pisyn diwetha, really. I ni gweithio mas bod ni'n gallu symud nôl.
Oedd hwnna'n siwr neu hir, was it a long journey in 2 vans all the way from Edinburgh?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
So what was the main factor? Why did you want to move back to Wales?
I think having children changes things, and we always wanted the children to like speak Welsh and learn Welsh. So I think as soon as we had children, wasn't it, there was almost that real big pull back. Yes, definitely. So, you know, my dad was in the army, so actually spent most of my life in other countries. I felt really drawn, especially when I had children, that I wanted to come back. I wanted them to learn Welsh, put down some roots here, you know, in our ancestral land, learn Welsh, and yeah, go to school here and things like that. That was really, really important to me.
Yeah. Siwmar Gymraeg, how is the Welsh coming on? You're doing cwrs sylfaen at the minute?
Yeah, we're on dysgu Gymraeg.
Yeah.
I'm learning with dysgu Gymraeg online, ar-line, so yeah.
Pan ych chi'n awt yn meddwl am eich dyfodol chi fan hyn yn Sir Gaerfyrddin, siwt ych chi'n ei weld e?
Teulu yn bwysig iawn, bod mwy agos i teulu, bod mwy agos i ffrindiau ni, a jyst bod nôl yn ardal fi wedi bod mas ers plentyn. So, pryd o'n i'n plentyn oedd yn ardderchog o byw ma, felly fi moyn yr un cyfleoedd i'r plant fi, really.
Yeah. Wel, croeso cynnes nôl i ARFOR. Pob lwc am y dyfodol, a diolch am ddangos castell dryslwyn i fi ar golygfeydd godidog yma. Fi'n falch bod chi wedi aros ar ddi hun, ddim fel osia yna. Mae Rosie byti fynd. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi.
Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch.